Welcome to Tech Brothers Amir. In this video, we are going to learn how to create YouTube video summary by using ChatGPT or custom GPTs. So let's go ahead and take a look and try some creating the summary by using first ChatGPT, then we will use the custom GPTs. Now we are here on my channel, and we can copy any link of any video and then ask the ChatGPT to create a summary for us and see if it will do the job or not. So I'm going to go for this one, how to create MySQL database instance in Azure and connect by using Azure Data Studio. I'm going to right click here and then copy link address. So once the link is copied, I'm going to go back to the ChatGPT. Here I'm going to provide the prompt, create me Okay, it is telling us I cannot summarize the contents directly from the video. You can provide details or describe the video and I will help you to create the summary. So that's kind of no, and what we would like to do, use some maybe custom GPTs, and if there is any available that can help us. So we will hit here explore GPTs, and then it's going to open the list of those GPTs and we will search one of the GPT. I was already looking for some of them, and you see that video summarizer, free YouTube summarizer, and there are many of them available. You can always search for YouTube, and what happened once you will search for YouTube, it's going to bring a lot of things, maybe video summarizer, some other things that you can do with YouTube, scripting with the engage hook and video script writers. So there are a lot of custom GPTs are available. So now in this case, I'm gonna go with this video summarizer. It has 1 million conversations, so that's really good. People had been using it, and or you can use this one, doesn't matter. So let's go with the very first one and see what it can do for us. Okay, great. It has some generate summary for your YouTube videos, provide summary in another language. What is said about specific topic in the video. So that's great. So you have this whole lot, maybe 1 hour video. You want to just know about specific thing in that video that has been said. So you can also get that. So instead of watching the entire video, you can always go ahead and grab the information that you need if anything is said about any specific topic in that video. Now I'm gonna go for video summary and click right there, generate summary for your YouTube video. That's what we would select, and then what we are gonna do, we are gonna just paste the link for our YouTube video. And it is asking us a video summarizer wants to talk to the gpttools.co. Okay, allow, and then we are gonna be good to go. And please provide the link to the YouTube. So we provided a link, hit enter button here, and now it's working on it. Okay, it's asking us video summarizer wants to talk to the process.videosummarizeai.com. Yes, allow, and that will do it. First of all, it has given us the our title. So you see right there, that's our title. It told us a time interval, that's around 15 minutes 46 seconds, and here is a summary, introduction to the MySQL in Azure. Okay, that I created this video, and honestly, yes, I do have that one. Choosing MySQL server options, so there are different options. Yes, I explained that as well. Configuring server settings, yes, because I created the server, and I told a few of the items there. Customizing performance and cost settings, yes, so that was telling like you don't want to create a big instance and all that, you want to create a small instance, so that it caught up real quick. Setting up security and networking, so explain the IP, how to make it private endpoints and all that, and how to connect. So that was also done, connecting via Azure Data Studio, database and query management. Okay, then monitoring and maintenance, yes, I showed that part as well, because I wanted to tell how much CPU is used and all those kind of things. So here is insight based on numbers. High availability, I showed like this uptime and all that, what is the cost, so that's also there. Storage and compute options, so I did show like, okay, we are going to create 20 GB MySQL instance, that's going to be small size, and that's what we will use. And then here it says example questions, how does the cost of MySQL in your stable setups. So you want to more now explore it, you can do that by pressing 1 or E and E2 and all those, or you can write an educational article or create a conclusion diagram. So we will if you want to test your knowledge, you watch the video and then you want to quiz about it, you can go ahead and do that as well. So here let's say we will do first we will do A, and then see what it will create for us. And maybe you can use this one. I often actually create a video and then write a blog about it, and this could be great. You can simply just put it here, and then this will create the entire blog for you, and you can publish to your website. So this is good information. So here it has all those points, and you can add some more information if you like, and then publish this as a blog. So that's great. And then it provide a conclusion. And again, if we will provide now if we want to have a diagram, so if we provide D here, and let's see if it will create a diagram for us. Maybe it is not considering the above D option for us, so maybe we have to, okay, no, it did actually. It was just like, hey, I want to process this by using this website or talk to this. So create MySQL database in Azure, select Azure MySQL service, choose between standalone or flexible server, configure server details, region, subscription, resource group, choose version and performance option, enable security settings, and set the IP whitelisting, connect to database, use Azure Data Studio. That's exactly I have done in this video, and that's so awesome. And I can download this diagram if I want. Now if you go back, I don't remember what was like it tell us like a D option. What was it for quiz? I want to have a quick quiz. Okay, T for the knowledge test, if or indicate timestamp as well. So I'm going to go for T first, and then we'll do I later. So let's see if it will create some questions for us and a quiz for us. Okay, great. So what is the difference between standalone and flexible MySQL server in Azure? And it gave us options such as, so it created that quiz for us. Second, it is which versions are supported by Azure. So you have that, and it created actually very nice questions out of it, and you can use them to test your knowledge, and also kind of maybe do Quizlet or for your students and all that. How about I was like curious if what's gonna be the last option. So this is just one custom GPT. We are actually taking a look. There are a lot more, and they will be giving you a lot more information. So here you can see that now it's creating the timestamps. Here's the relevant timestamps linked to the key moments in the video, introduction to the MySQL in Azure, selecting Azure services, capturing configuring SQL details, and then choosing MySQL. So you can have all of them, and you can jump over to the any let's say if I will open this, it's gonna open that. For instance, it's small, it's all. So see right there, it brought me into this point where we were doing all that monitoring and configuring that. So that's great, because this is exactly best practices I was explaining in that one. So this is awesome, especially in the cases where you have that large size video, let's say 1 hour video, and you don't have time to figure out like what exactly is happening in this video. And also as a content creator, you can use this video. Now I'm not sure if I can take this as is, and if I will copy, and if I will publish, what it will do. Let me see if I will put in a notepad. Will it create the links, or how does work? So okay, so here yeah, so this is actually the different links that it has created. Yeah, so you can use, I believe, in the description, and it will help you as is if you will copy paste, but I haven't tried. So maybe for the next video I will also give a try like this. I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.